Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking the image quality because OCR needs clear input to work reliably. Once you confirm 300 dpi or good legibility, pick your OCR method: phone app for speed, desktop for control, or cloud API for scale. Make sure to crop to just the text, deskew any tilt, and enhance contrast to boost recognition rates. You do these steps now so the core conversion succeeds quickly. They reduce errors and save time in the middle processing stage. Once the image is prepped, launch OCR with the right language and recognition mode. This affects accuracy for multi-column or mixed content. You should apply preprocessing, noise reduction and binarization to improve character separation and use morphological filters when characters touch. Make sure to enable layout analysis to preserve columns and tables, because later editing is much easier when structure remains. You'll review recognized text now, correct obvious misreads, and mark hard-to-read zones for reprocessing or manual correction. You finish by carefully proofreading and fixing typical OCR mistakes: letters versus digits, misrecognized punctuation, and broken words, because accuracy matters for reuse. Once done, export to the format you need: editable docx, plain TXT, or a searchable PDF that keeps the image and text layer. If output still has problems, retry with alternate preprocessing settings or a different engine, and as a last resort, do targeted manual transcription for problem areas. This approach resolves most failures quickly and predictably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.